Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll dive into how to effectively use UPBASE for nonprofit grant management. The first thing we need to do is log into your UPBASE account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for one in a few simple steps. It's vital to have an account since this will be your command center for managing your grants. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Grants tab. This is where you'll find all the features related to grant management. The reason we do this is to keep all grant-related activities centralized, making it easier for you to manage and monitor. Next up, you'll want to add a new grant. Click on the Add New Grant button, fill in all the necessary details about the grant, including its name, funding source, amount, and the project it's funding. This is an important step as it helps keep your records accurate and organized, ensuring that every dollar is accounted for. Now that we've done that, let's move to tracking the grant progress. This is where UPBASE truly shines. On the main dashboard, you'll see a progress bar for each grant, showing how much of the funds have been used. Regularly checking this will help you stay on top of your budgets and prevent overspending. Let me explain why this matters. In the world of nonprofits, every penny counts. By having a clear overview of your grant expenditures, you can make sure your funds are being used effectively and efficiently. Finally, you'll want to generate reports. UPBASE makes this simple. Go to the Reports tab, select the grant you want to report for, and hit Generate. This gives you a comprehensive report of your grant usage, which can be invaluable for financial reviews and for future planning. And that's it. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your nonprofit grants using UPBASE. Remember, the key here is regular monitoring and effective record keeping. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.